Rolling.
Okay, gentlemen of the press, good morning. Good afternoon. We are here to show the whole world what really transpired and our grievances as regards the previously concluded election of Kogi State Electoral. And we have invited you here this afternoon to share with you with the whole world the unlawful acts that characterized November 11, 2023 gubernatorial election held in Kogi State, which rendered the entire electoral exercise as unlawful, illegal, and illegitimate. As you are all aware, prior to the date of the scheduled election, we have raised several concerns about plots to rig gubernatorial election in Kogi State, where we revealed to the entire world that the APC, as a progressive, all progressive Congress, and the state government, in the person of Alaji Abello, have resolved to deploy already preloaded beavers to some areas in Kogi State. And we clearly, and we did in our own ways, send such signals and with copies of such evidence before the whole world. We also hinted the APC-led government in Kogi. We also hinted that APC-led government in Kogi State had distributed NYC and police uniforms to civilians in order to perpetrate their evil plan in rigging the elections. Our fears were confirmed last Saturday, when before the governorship election commenced, at the polling units, results of yet to be held elections found in various ways in the public space. Some agents of the Independent National Electoral Commission, that's the INEC, were found with already written results of elections that were yet to be held. Where did they get it from? No one knows. And that's to tell you that there's an insider even within the empire that are not being honest and are not being just in conducting the election even before that time. We however found it ridiculous that the anomalies above, notwithstanding, the state gubernatorial returning officer, after seeing clear evidences of overvoting and reports of electoral fraud, declared Usman Ahmed Obodo of the APC as elected with conjoined 446,327 votes, which is totally different from the number of accredited voters, among other factors. There were cases of overvoting in 17 out of the 21 local government areas in the state. There is clear evidence to back this up, because we cannot just claim without us having such evidence, and we're prepared to produce the evidence at will. We have cases where the total number of votes were more than the total number of PVCs collected, yet INEC, who's supposed to have been neutral, claim they conducted credible elections in Kogi. We had cases where huge sum of money were seen with INEC officials at the polling units. National Youth Service Corps members were seen with cash of 1 million naira, which reports claim to have been given to him as a member of the corps, given to him by agents of the APC, just for the sake of election manipulations. So you could see clearly where monies were used to entice people and to buy votes against the Electoral Act and the Constitution of the Federal Government area. We are aware of INEC's fraudulent means of doctrine and continuously inflating numbers just to favor APC. Figures were repeatedly changed and result sheets were falsified, and in most places, result sheets were pre-recorded before the conclusion of the voting process. The system of collation of results were totally untidy and unreliable. The PDP rejects totally the results as announced and the declaration of Usman Ahmed Ododo as the winner of the governorship elections of the 11th November in our dear state, Kogi. by INEC. We sincerely thank our numerous supporters and the good people of Kogi State for the support they have given us, and want to assure them that the PDP will not leave any stone unturned in the quest to claim their mandate. We have commenced actions necessary and in accordance with the law, with a view to arresting the clearing broad-day robbery against the people of Kogi and our governorship candidate, whose mandate were clearly stolen by the APC government and its collaborators. That we cannot agree, and we are prepared to go to all levels. We are going through the normal legal process to ensure that we retrieve back the stolen mandate and give back to the people the power they so desired. We have rejected the results as declared by INEC, and as a party, we will take all measures within the ambit of the law to reclaim the mandate of the Kogi State people. One Kogi, one destiny. And we thank you all for listening.
I'm just knowing your name and
Right Honorable George Edward Daika, the Secretary of the PDP Caretaker Committee for this state. Go through, or you want us to review, or you want to go through again?
No, that's